Hey folks, I hope you're doing well. Today we've got another exciting deal to discuss in the life sciences space, so here we go. Deal summary on September 26, 2023. 𝗕𝗜𝗢𝗓 Biosciences, a clinical stage biotechnology company focused on developing and commercializing next-generation cell and gene therapies for the most treatment-resistant cancers, announced that it has acquired Focal Medical, a privately held company developing a novel site-specific iontophoresis drug delivery platform for the localized treatment of cancer. The acquisition brings together 𝗕𝗜𝗢𝗓's expertise in cell therapy with Focal's innovative drug delivery platform, opening up new avenues for the development of transformative cancer treatments. While financial terms of the deal were not disclosed, we'll walk through our best estimates for valuation in just a bit. So what makes this deal so interesting? What product and technology value drivers are at play, and how does this impact the market? Let's jump in, starting with the product and technology itself. First, under the terms of the agreement, Focal's lead asset, FLS-101, will be delivered to market by 𝗕𝗜𝗢𝗓 Biosciences following achievement of key milestones. FLS-101 is designed to deliver Gemcitabine, a frontline chemotherapeutic for pancreatic cancer, directly into pancreatic tumors while minimizing systemic exposure. This is accomplished using site-specific iontophoresis, a process that uses low-voltage electrical current to drive charged drug molecules into tissue. This allows for high local concentrations of the drug within the tumor microenvironment while significantly reducing systemic toxicity. As one example of its potential utility, FLS-101 has already received IND clearance for a Phase 1b trial evaluating the safety, tolerability, and anti-tumor activity of gemcitabine delivered by the platform in patients with metastatic pancreatic ductal adenocarcinoma. In addition, the platform's unique features allow for enhanced intratumoral drug delivery without the need for surgical implantation, controlled real-time dosing with the ability to fine-tune treatment intensity, and precise monitoring of drug delivery. Importantly, this platform opens the door for expansion beyond pancreatic cancer to other solid tumors, where precise drug localization could improve efficacy and reduce adverse events. Now, let's talk about the market niche and landscape evolution. Pancreatic cancer has long suffered from a lack of effective treatment options, with 5-year survival rates lingering around 12%. Existing therapies such as FOLFIRINOX and Gemcitabine have shown limited improvement due to poor tumor penetration and high systemic toxicity, leading to suboptimal efficacy and poor quality of life for patients. This has created a strong market pull for innovations that can balance potency with tolerability. From a tech push perspective, the iontophoresis approach addresses 3 key elements. 1. The delivery gap between systemic drug availability and tumor site effectiveness. 2. Patient adherence issues caused by toxic side effects. And 3. The poor quality of life associated with current regimens. Importantly, real-world evidence suggests that this translates to meaningful impacts on RWE, including improved treatment adherence via reduced toxicity, gains in quality-adjusted life years, and cost savings from fewer hospitalizations and side effect interventions. Let's quickly review the competitive landscape and positioning. In contrast to existing local or systemic delivery approaches, Focal's transdermal and microneedle platforms have limited tissue penetration, making them less suitable for deep-seated tumors like pancreatic adenocarcinoma. Local chemoembolization techniques, such as TAS, require catheter access and are more invasive, with variable delivery precision and higher systemic leakage. Systemic nanocarrier formulations, like nanoliposomal gemcitabine, still retain toxicities and depend on vasculature for tumor penetration. Implantable microdose pumps require surgical placement and provide less control over dosing schedules. Focal's iontophoresis technology offers a superior value proposition by combining non-invasiveness with tumor-specific precision and real-time adjustability, positioning it as a uniquely disruptive entrant into the precision oncology market. What about market access and reimbursement? The most likely access strategy for Focal S technology includes leveraging orphan and breakthrough designation opportunities given the high unmet need in pancreatic cancer. A phase 2 single-arm efficacy study could be designed to support accelerated FDA approval. Importantly, engagement with U.S. payers will be crucial to secure coverage for FLS-101. Given the cost of the therapy, economic models demonstrating reduced hospitalization and improved QALYs will be required to justify premium pricing over existing chemotherapy combinations. Global expansion into markets such as the EU, Canada, and Japan will also be targeted by engaging HTA bodies and conditional reimbursement programs. Pricing for the therapy is expected to be benchmarked against existing chemotherapy regimens with cost-effectiveness modeling used to secure reimbursement given the improved patient outcomes. Finally, let's talk about valuation and financial due diligence. While Continuity Biosciences is privately held and not currently valued on public markets, we can model the financial potential of this acquisition based on comparable transactions and a risk-adjusted DCF approach. Assuming a peak market opportunity in pancreatic cancer of $1.5 billion and a 10% market share for the technology platform, this equates to $150 million in annual revenue by year 8, using a 10 to 15% probability of success and a 12% discount rate. The present value of future cash flows places the opportunity between $50-80 million at current risk levels. With successful early-phase trials, however, this valuation could scale significantly. Historical deals in the precision oncology space suggest potential strategic exits or partnerships in the $200 for $100 million range, depending on clinical validation and platform scalability. Key value unlocks or catalysts include IND clearance, which has already been achieved. Phase 1b trial initiation by late 2025. Top-line proof of concept data expected in 2027 to 2028. And strategic licensing or co-development deals in 2028 plus. In conclusion, the acquisition of Focal Medical represents a significant leap forward for Continuity Biosciences, establishing a high-impact, differentiated asset that could reshape the treatment paradigm for pancreatic and other hard-to-treat cancers. Over the next 5 years, the followings are theoretically estimated. Short-term, establishment of safety and tolerability in Phase 1b. Initiation of partnership conversations to secure non-dilutive financing. Mid-term, efficacy data from Phase 2 trials. Initiation of payer and HTA body engagement for economic evaluation and reimbursement discussions. And long-term regulatory submissions and commercial rollout of FLS-101. Platform extension into other tumor types including breast, lung, and prostate cancers. And a potential exit or IPO for Continuity Biosciences based on a validated oncology drug delivery model. Alright, that's it for me today. Thanks so much for watching. And if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe for more content. Take care and see you next time.